Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can insert the SD card to the E88 air drone. Okay, to insert the SD card you need to insert it to the remote control of this drone. So the SD card slot will take place here, and before you connect the SD card you can see on the screen here only the battery logo. And let's see what happened after we install the SD card to this remote. Okay, first of all, turn off your drone remote. Okay, after that, input the SD card with this position. Insert it. Now turn on the remote control back by press the power button. Hold on. Okay, now you can see the SD card logo here, and now you can record the video. Press recording, and now it's captured the image from the drone. For example, now I put my hand here. Okay, you can see now the camera display to the drone. And to stop recording, press the same button. And this is for the capture image. You can see here photo and tick. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can insert the SD card to this E88 air drone. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.